Guys, today we're trying to repair DDJ 1000 SRT. The issue with this unit is the cube. Look at this, they're all light up, right? They're all lit, could not do anything, so they're stuck that way. I just finished installing the drivers, and we're literally gonna see if we can fix this problem. But there's, I believe, a lot more than just that, right? Also, I'm gonna turn it off, turn it back on, and Serato's not seeing it. It's connected via USB. It's trying to see it. Let's see. Okay, finally we got it. So that was another issue which has been solved by installing the drivers. But we're also going to look at utilities. So let's go to application, and in utilities we're going to run the 1000 SRT display utility. Okay, that shows you all the version, the firmware, which that is all the latest version. So we are good. So I could see everything here. I mean, everything looks good. I just saw a little wetness there. So it's possible this unit had a liquor spilled in it. So liquid damage, maybe that caused that problem. So we're gonna be taking it apart, but I see everything's lit, which is good. I'm gonna test playing some music real quick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna enable speaker. So I'm gonna go to audio, and I'm gonna say make, oh, actually, look at the radio. Use laptop speakers. That's good. So let's see if we can play something. I don't hear jack. Nope, don't hear anything. So yeah, it's playing. It's playing, but I don't hear anything. I should have got something through the speakers. Let me put the volume up here. Yep, volume is on the computer. I'm also going to say make audio available. Let's install that. Let's see if that can help. Connected. Installed. Okay, let's see. Make audio available. Okay, it said failed. Okay, let's get out of here and come back again. Make audio available. Yep. You see the whole unit disappeared. So let's bring it back again. All right, let's see if it pops up this time. Okay, it's back on. We're gonna go back to, yep, use the laptop for audio. All right, let's see. I'm gonna try to play something. So I don't hear nothing at all. But as you can see, it's moving up there. But it looks a little weird. I don't get nothing on the master. I should have got something on the master. Yep, so I'm gonna take this thing apart and take a look. Okay, I opened it up. Just a quick visual inspection. Everything looks clean. Does not seem like this was ever opened before. I mean, this little mark here, but other than that, that's normal. That's from the cover. Yeah, it doesn't seem like this was opened. I do see a little bit of, almost like we got a little liquid. Yep. Usually liquid is what makes these things act up. But we're going to take it all apart. Take everything out. And then we're going to analyze it. So guys, right before we do any work on this, we're going to try a reset. And this is going to get us into the utility mode. So basically, we're going to hold shift, play, and then we're going to turn on the power. Turn on the power. As you can see, This unit failed to go into utility mode. Didn't go at all. Okay, also, before we get into it, there is another reset option, which is sensor 4 beats and then power. Let's do that. There we go, got it. And we should get an indication soon. There you go. So that right there is an indication that it was reset. Not sure if that's gonna help us with anything, but we definitely tried everything we could to see if we could reset this unit. As you can see, it's back to the same crap. Okay, so yeah, we definitely tried everything we could. One more thing, I also want to attempt a firmware update on top. Even though it has the same version, I want to redo it. I want to see if I'm able to overwrite that firmware to see if that is one of the issues as well. So we downloaded this firmware. We're gonna go ahead and run it, and it says it's the same version, but we're gonna hit start and let's see what it does. Dun, 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 dun. So it's stuck at 0%. I really feel like there's an issue with the main board. Yep, connected. Okay, so yeah, we did exactly what it's asking for. We are connected to terminal A. So yeah, this unit does have an issue with the main board. So next we're going to be analyzing that board. Took out the main board, analyzed the whole thing. Looks very clean, very clean. I mean, I don't see any issues at all with this board. So I'm gonna put this back together, but I'm also gonna analyze all of the left and the right side to make sure that those are also good. Okay guys, so I started analyzing the board by itself under the microscope, as you can see, because I couldn't figure out the problem. So under the microscope, I could start seeing little areas that there's liquid damage. So let me zoom in a little closer. Maybe you can see, you see that? So analyzing the top of this board, oh my God, there's so many liquid damage, so many. Like right there where my finger is one. So a lot of these connections go from one side of the board to the other. There's so many of them, oh my God, like a lot. And this is gonna be very time consuming, but I'm gonna go through all of these and fix them all. But man, we got a lot. I saw at least 5 or 6 that I have to clean up and solder. Okay guys, so I finished working on this side of the board. This pad was crazy. So I cleaned it all up, got it all good. We're gonna do another test. And then we're gonna proceed. So little by little, we're gonna clean everything that we see that's dirty until we see if our problems are solved. Okay, let's see what we got. Woohoo! Oh my God, look at that. See that? Now they work. Shoot. So that means this side, these pads, this whole board having liquid damage was affecting the controller. Holy camole. Wow. So before I couldn't get any of these to work. Let's see. Yep, works now. Slicer, sampler. Wow. Yeah, this whole area was bad. And these cues were now working. Now they work. Wow, amazing. Holy crap. I don't even know what's not working anymore. Because there was a bunch of stuff not working. And now I feel like all of it is working. So the computer shows that everything's good. I'm gonna let's pick a song here. Okay, we're gonna load up that song. Hold on, let me just drag it in here. There we go. Put the same song on both sides, and let's see. I'm gonna keep master everything down. Yep. Okay, volume. It's working. It's playing. Before I couldn't scratch. Let's see. Perfect. Sampler. Ooh, sampler's working. Play button was not working before. Now it's working. Let's check Q. Perfect, perfect. All right, let's go to this side. Okay, I don't hear any volume. Let's see. Yep, that's because that was trim was off. Yep, let's put trim right in the middle for both of them. Both of them. Whew. Beautiful. See? Wow. Okay. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna try something that I tried earlier that didn't work, was going into utility mode. So we're gonna hold shift and play and turn the power on. Okay, we did that. And now we have utility mode. You see that? This was not working before. So now I can scroll through utility mode, go through all of these options, and literally what I'm looking for is the reset. Let's see where, there you go, factory reset. And I'm gonna press Q, and then I'm gonna go to next, reset. I'm gonna hit Q again, resetting. So we just did a factory reset. That means we're blank, back to scratch. I'm gonna turn the power off, turn it back on. Now we are good. Yes, yes. And I can load up some songs. We already got the songs. When it says no audio driver, all you have to do is run the utility. So I'm gonna run the utility really quick. Let's close that and run it again. Okay, utility is running. So now you can see, everything. Phew. Guys, this repair has been completed. I'm gonna be putting all of the screws back on, everything, put it back on. But this controller is fixed 100%. Everything's good. Problem was this side had a liquid damage. Everything else seems to be fine. I analyzed all the boards. Everything is good. Sorry, I'm talking kind of low because it's midnight. It's actually a little past midnight and everyone is sleeping. So I'm trying not to make a lot of noise, but this controller is all fixed. If you're having similar issues, I bet you it's liquid damage. Take your board apart, analyze it, clean it, do what you got to do, put it back together, and hopefully your problem is fixed. Please like, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and good night.